Hi everybody, it's Kenneth, and I'm back with another Baijiu box opening video. This is number 3, and I got a pretty cool bottle this time. This is from a really big company, Wuliangye. That is the top two. In China, there's kind of two brands that are super famous when it comes to Baijiu. One is Mao Tai. Mao Tai is really famous because that's what Richard Nixon had, I think, when he came to visit China way back in the day. When he was drinking with Mao Zedong, they were drinking Mao Tai. And the other one is Wuliangye, which is this box right here. So Wuliangye is from Sichuan province. I believe Yibin is the city. And Mao Tai is actually from, I think, Baijiu province, but Baijiu and Sichuan are right next to each other. They border each other, and the two companies are actually like really close to the border, so I think they're pretty close to each other geographically. These like two massive Baijiu companies, and they're both really far from where I am right now, in Yangzhou, over here in Jiangsu province. So I've never been to that part of China. It'd be pretty cool to check it out. It would be sweet to see their Baijiu facilities. But anyway, yeah, this bottle I got at the same corner store I've got the other two bottles at. So this is a pretty nice bottle. I think it was, I don't know, 300 something yuan. So that's pretty expensive, like, I don't know, 45 bucks US about. And it's, I don't know, it's gonna be a little, you can see the bottle through. This is a clear part right there. You can kind of see the bottle on the inside of the box, but it is a pretty sweet box. It's got this big kind of crest circle thing here. Probably made out of plastic, but that's kind of neat. I don't know. There's a little info for you on there, and nothing on the side. A little info on the back. There's their website. I think that website works. It's a pretty sweet website. I was just on it. They had, like, you know, that crystal brand, Swarovskis? Is that what it's called? You can buy, like, they have bottles with, like, crystal swans, like, on the inside of the bottle. So yeah, this company is pretty ridiculous. But there's where's the year? Oh, there's the year. Let's see if you can see that. I think it's 2012. So this is the oldest bottle out of the 4 I bought the other day. So this guy is almost 7 years old. That's pretty sweet. I almost don't want to open it because it's going to be probably a good bottle, and I don't know. I don't want to waste it on myself. Maybe if I have some company over, I'll open it. But it should be pretty easy to open, I think. I just. Oh boy, I spoke too soon. Gosh darn it. Oh, I see. I gotta push this in back here. Okay, bear with me. Oh man, this might be an issue. Let's see. Did that do anything? Oh my God, I gotta stand up. Ooh, this is tough. There we go. Whew. All right, got it. Okay, let's take a look at this bottle. Ooh, there we go. One bottle of Wuliangye. 45% alcohol by volume, 500 milliliters. Wuliangye Yibin company. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Gotta make sure it's hasn't been tampered with. Looks good. Ooh, it is. Look at that. That is dusty. Yeah, that thing's been sitting on the shelf for a long time. But yeah, I'm gonna have to wait for a special occasion to have this bottle because that is gonna be pretty good stuff. It's the same aroma or same style of Baijiu as all the other ones I've been buying. It's strong aroma. So yeah, it's the fiery stuff, and I'm looking forward to drinking it, and looking forward to making more videos like this. So hope you guys are enjoying it, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.